So they work right here?
Right in there, yeah. Thank you.
We appreciate it.
Yeah, we do.
Of course, so you guys enjoy.
Cartea, what we doing, bros?
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cook With Cartea. Now look, like I was telling y'all in the last recipes, got something real special going on for the holidays. Like I said, it's the season of giving. So look, today, we're gonna be doing something different today. We still gonna be cooking, of course, because y'all see these ingredients that we got right in front of us. But look, today, we're gonna be making a nice meal for the people that's less fortunate. So I'm excited for this one, but today we really just gonna focus on the purpose of the video, which is giving back. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show y'all what we got going on, because we do got a few ingredients in here. I'm gonna show y'all what the meal gonna entail. Right here, we got a nice little spread right here. We got elbow noodle, pasta noodles. So y'all already know we're making that baked mac and cheese. Yeah, y'all remember that one. Then we got the sweet potatoes right here. We're gonna be making those candy yams. We got some fresh broccoli right here. We got some Hawaiian rolls right here. You know you need a little bread. Yeah, so we got those. And then in the back, little protein. Yeah, we got some nice chicken breast. So we're gonna go ahead and get all that going too. So we're gonna go ahead and get cooking. And y'all just gonna be moving around with me today as you know, we going and taking this food to the people that's less fortunate. You know, we're gonna go bless the people today. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, y'all, so like I say, I'm gonna just really be, you know what I'm saying, giving y'all the behind the scenes, you know what I'm saying. We're gonna be cooking, of course, so I'm gonna show y'all the cooking. But, you know, we're not gonna really be focused on cooking too much. So we're gonna go ahead and, we got the chicken breast. We're gonna go ahead and get our chicken breast in the oven. We're gonna season it up, and then we're gonna go ahead and get it in the oven. Get that going first. All right, y'all, chicken in the oven. Y'all already know how we do with those sweet potatoes. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get these going next. So we're gonna get these peeled and get those going as well. Y'all, so we got our pasta noodles in the back, those boiling. We got our glaze still finishing off our sweet potatoes. We got those in the pan right here. We're about to get those in the oven in a minute. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get our mix in for our mac and cheese. All right, so we got the mac and cheese. We about to put that in the oven. We covered it with that cheese at the top. That's all we had left to do, just a little bit of smoked paprika at the top. We just gonna throw it in the oven along with the sweet potatoes. We're gonna leave that in there for about 30-35 minutes. And while we get that stuff in the oven, we're gonna go ahead and work on the broccoli next, because that's pretty much gonna be the last thing that we do. So let's go ahead and get this mac and cheese in the oven. All right, y'all, so like I said, we got those fresh broccoli crowns. So what we're gonna do is, before we get them chopped up, we got a pot of boiling water right here, salted. So all we gonna do is we just gonna put the crowns in there, rest them in there, and let them cook. Let the top of them get a little soft, steamed up a little bit, and then we're gonna pull them out and we're gonna chop them up. We chopped up the broccoli. So now all we really gonna do is we gonna season it up. So we're gonna throw a little bit of butter in there. It's gonna have a garlic butter at the top. You can melt that butter too, and you know, just drizzle it on there. So we're gonna mix that in. We're gonna throw a little bit of salt, pepper, and then some garlic powder. And we just gonna mix it in. And then we gonna throw it in the oven for only a few minutes because the broccoli is pretty much cooked right now. But we just want to get a little bit of a roast on it. So we just gonna throw it in the oven on that top rack for about 5 minutes with the foil on. All right, y'all, so we're gonna take a real quick break from the video just so I can show y'all and present to y'all. Yeah, y'all see that merchandise I got on? Look, let me tell y'all, this that Rich Brain clothing. Now, the whole purpose and the whole idea behind their brand is to present the bridge between financial literacy and the financial freedom. That explains this equal sign right here labeled on the front. Profits and proceeds that they make from each order, they're gonna donate them back to the children, back to the inner city schools, and buying those books back for all the children that's in need. So look, make sure y'all go ahead and grab y'all some merchandise. I'm gonna leave the link below so y'all can go directly to them, follow on Instagram, and get y'all some merchandise. They got different colorways, you know what I'm saying, but you can't never go wrong with the black, with the white, you know what I'm saying? They got different designs, but this one, yeah, this one was one of my favorite. Now look, material is great. We in the Midwest, you know, it's getting cold outside, and sometimes you can't predict that weather. But either way you go, you know it's cold out there. So this keep you nice and warm. Yeah, so let me just show y'all what we got going on. We got a little icon label right here in the front on the sleeve. And then yeah, we got that Rich Brain stretched across the back. Going across the back on the sleeves. And then like I said, y'all already know, we got the equal sign right here on the front. Now, like I said, they got different designs, different colorways. But either way it go, it's all for a good cause. So make sure y'all go ahead and tune in to the Rich Brain clothing and grab y'all some merch. Now let's get back to this video. All right, y'all. So as y'all can see, man, all this delicious food, we done cooking. So look, now we finna do the best part of the video, the part that I'm most excited about. I'm gonna take y'all on the road with us, and we gonna go ahead and donate this food. It's the season of giving back. Yeah, so whatever is in your heart, make sure y'all do it for the people that's in need, or you know, just donate your time. Donate whatever you can for the people that's less fortunate. Now, y'all still see, yeah, I got that Rich Brain clothing on. Yeah, we keeping that on. Like I said, man, it's cold outside, so I'm finna keep this hoodie on. Yeah. Anywho, yeah, let's go ahead and hop on the road. We gone. Yeah. All right, y'all. So, like I said, taking y'all on a journey with us. We going to the senior homes. We're gonna donate this food to our elders. So we only 1 minute away. We finna pull up right now, and then I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to show y'all, but you know what I'm saying. We gonna pull up, and then show y'all where we at, and then we gonna take this food in there, and we just gonna bless the people. So we about to pull up right now, and I'm gonna show y'all when we get there. Real apartments. To the right here?
Right in there, yeah. Thank you.
You gotta know, you know, what everything is.
All right.
But yeah, happy holidays.
Thank you.
I'm more than pleasure to do this for you guys.
We appreciate it.
Yeah, we do.
100%.
Of course, so you guys enjoy. All right, y'all, so we dropped the food off, donated that food. Yeah, Countryside Villages. It's in Yorkville, well, Plano. But yeah, like I said, y'all, it's the season of giving. So we made sure that we made some nice warm food for these people. And yeah, so they finna eat good. So yeah, thank y'all for tuning in. Of course, I appreciate y'all for tuning in to another Cook With Cartea. You know, we did it a little different today, but you we had to show y'all that, we doing everything that we doing is for the right cause. So make sure y'all stay tuned for the rest of the recipes that we do got going on and everything else that we gonna do. The holidays coming up, so y'all be prepared. Y'all be safe. I'm gonna see y'all on the next one.